welcome again to this English class. Okay, today we are giving you a new class, a piece of class about how to make questions with do and does. Today we are using a new auxiliary called does. Okay, you use does to talk about third person question with verbs in third person singular person. Okay, let's take some examples. For example, you are talking about your sister. Okay, your sister and verb study. Your sister study. Your sister study. Okay, how do you make questions with your sister and study? Do your sister study? It's wrong. Does. In this case, you are using does. Okay, when you're talking about you, is do you study? Do you study? But your sister is a singular noun, is one person. It's does. Does your sister study? Oh, do you work? Do you work? Where do you work? Where do you work? Does your sister work? Where does your sister work? Do you cook? Do you cook? Yes? Okay, excellent, good. Does your mother cook? Does your mother cook in the morning? What? Tell me, what does your mother cook in the morning? Does she cook chicken? Or maybe does she cook soup? Okay, what does your mother cook? Don't forget to use auxiliary does to talk about third person or singular person. Okay, let's take some examples. Okay, number one is verb listen to music, and the subject is brother. Your brother. What time does your brother listen to music? Or example number two is verb use a computer. Use a computer. And the subject is your father. When does your father use a computer? Maybe you are talking about your uncle. Okay, does your uncle live in Guayaquil? Where does your uncle live? Okay, don't forget, use in this order. Number one is a question word. Number two is auxiliary. Do or does. Number three is a subject, and number four is a complement. Okay, let's take notes and practice with your partner.